In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wave Accounting for bookkeeping. It's a user-friendly tool that simplifies the accounting process, whether you're a small business owner or managing your personal finances. The first step is to visit the Wave Accounting website. You'll want to open your web browser and navigate to waveapps.com. Once the site is fully loaded, take a look at the top right corner and click on Sign In. If you haven't signed up yet, you'll need to create an account. But for today's purpose, we'll assume you already have one. Now, choose Sign In with Google for a convenient and quick login process. Select your Google account to proceed, which securely logs you into the Wave platform. Upon logging in, you'll notice a panel on the left side of your screen. Here you'll find all your main tools such as Dashboard, Sales and Payments, Purchases, Receipts, Accounting, and more. This panel is your go-to area for navigating through the application, providing you easy access to the various features that Wave offers. On the top right corner of the screen, you'll see your account profile. This not only lets you manage your personal settings, but also offers a range of customizable options to tailor your accounting experience according to your needs. When you're ready to start a new transaction or document, locate the Create New button at the top left of the panel. Clicking this will give you options to create various items such as transactions and estimates, among others. This feature allows for seamless record keeping and invoice creation. For instance, if creating an invoice, simply click on Invoice from the list. To personalize the invoice, start by selecting Add a Customer. You can choose from your existing customer profiles or create a new one if needed. Following this, select the invoice date, which ensures your records are up to date and organized. Next, you'll pick the payment due date, giving your customers clarity on payment timelines. Proceed to Add an item to specify the products or services you're billing your customer for. Ensure you input the quantity and verify if the pricing is accurate. You can make price adjustments if necessary. If applicable, add tax to the item for a comprehensive billing record. You also have the option to attach additional files or support documents at the bottom of the invoicing page. Once all the details are filled in, click Save and Continue. This allows you to review the invoice before finalizing it. Check everything over and click Approve Draft to lock in the information. Finally, to complete the process, hit Send Invoice to dispatch it to your customer. And once that is done, mark the invoice as sent to update your records. By following these steps, you'll find managing your bookkeeping tasks in Wave Accounting straightforward and efficient. Enjoy the streamlined experience and the ease of keeping your financials in check.